Just hung up the phone at night. Could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. No, say I'm so crazy, baby. I'm so crazy. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the key. Me. I wanted you to raise my mind. Me. They said you got high as the sky, up all night just dancing. Oh, I hit you like, please come home to me. Come home to me. But you're not understanding. No, so baby, beg, baby, please, please. Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time for me. Since you come here home intoxicated. Oh, yeah.
This train moving slow, Choo choo.
Stroke it for me. Ooh, baby, I love your stroke. Cause you get me where I'm going. Yeah. And sure you'd get my vote. Cause I believe you know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's go. Let's don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow.
Okay, y'all. So I got a durian because I've never had one. I want to try it. And then I got this drink because I need my immune system boosted. I don't know why I didn't expect the contents to look like that. There's like a nut in the middle. I'm glad I tried it, but I don't like it. It's like a bit of a savory weirdness to it. Oh, not my hair again in it. Whatever is trash. Mango sticky rice. So excited. Hi. Fancy seeing you here. Well, since I have you now. It's giving a girl that went to Pilates at 5 a.m. and still got a dark spot on her face from a period from last night. That's what it's giving. That's who I am. Nice to meet you. Who are you? Ow! I hurt my foot. Oh my gosh. Bye!